Here are some reasons why you need to use a flash for your photography. Number one, you're gonna see that sometimes when your light's too dark, or for example, you don't have enough light, you're gonna see that you're gonna need a flash to make sure that you get enough light and you get a lot of detail, so you're not shooting in low light, because shooting in low light underexposed gives you a ton of grain, and unless you're going for that, you're not gonna want that. Number two is if you're taking stuff in motion, for example, sports, if you're taking people jumping, doing a lot of action stuff, you're gonna see a flash freezes the people and it makes it look like a really good image. Number three is that you're gonna see that a lot of flashes can do a lot of different things. So for example, the flash I have, the Young Nuo, you're gonna see that has a focus beam, and that focus beam is really good for taking shots where you can't see, or like the camera can't see, and it'll help you really get some good shots without having to even look at the camera. Using a flash, especially an external flash like this one where it sits on top of your camera, means that it doesn't have to actually be on your camera. If you have a wireless receiver, you can actually put this on a stand somewhere, and then your camera can be in your hand, and when you shoot the button and the receiver gets it, it'll hit it to the flash and that flash will go off. That means the light can come from somewhere else, which means you can get a lot of cool effects, and you can also make a lot of good shots just by having your flashes off your camera and somewhere else in the room.